Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to mine and find exotics in ICARUS. So, to get started, go to the tech tree and make sure you got the steel pickaxe unlocked and crafted. Any pickaxe above this level will work fine as well, even better, and any pickaxe below this level won't work to mine it. So, go ahead and find a suitable cave. And this is how the exotics will look like. They are not found in every cave, but they are in most of them. So you can go ahead with the steel pickaxe and mine it. And that's how you get exotics in ICARUS. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you next time.